Rosalia.
Right, but she has it in her mouth and try to chew it.
No, you just supposed to like.
Right, swallow it.
Like
everybody.
It's tea. Like it's tea. Do it like
No,
that.
but the thing is, everybody on the internet, they hold their head back and they just go for it. We just watched it.
Alright, just
everybody
go.
did the same thing.
I came down here. It's cold down here.
Yo, get the trash can. Do it over the trash can.
Just put it in your
Yeah,
mouth.
stand up. Stand up over the
Yeah,
trash
get
can.
that trash can. You got water for her, right?
Yes.
It's cold, right?
That's not enough.
Now you should
It's
lick
not.
up your hair.
Rosalia.
Shut up. Come on.
Rosalia.
Let's do this.
Go.
Come on.
Really? No, swallow it. Swallow it. Watch out, Rosalia.
Ew. Throw it up.
So, like,
Ew.
Let's say she swallowed it.
Ew. You swallowed
Give her
it?
some water.
Yo, man. Woo!
oh my god, that's a successful one.
Dang, nothing.
That's just sick.